Hi there traders, hope you enjoyed that intro and welcome to Trade the Structure and more importantly, the 5-minute trading day. Now, if you haven't heard about the 5-minute trading day before, it's worth getting familiar with the website, having a look around, read up more about it. I've got quite a bit of information on there. The website is www.tradethestructure.com. Okay, the results, we're going to talk about those, but they continue to impress. They've been very consistent, even under the recent market uncertainty. So the strategy itself is a simple strategy to follow. I'll put it together with new traders in mind and experienced traders as well. But for someone potentially that has less time on their hands, and as the name suggests, the 5-minute trading day, it literally takes 5 minutes a day, up to 3 times a day to trade. Okay, so you can basically open your trading platform, log on just before the opening of the particular market you're trading, set up your trade, enter your trade, the buy or sell, and let it run itself. So it's been very, very consistent, as I mentioned, and I think you'd be pretty impressed. So let's start by going through an example. This is one today on the Hang Seng. Okay, so it kicked off beautifully. Couldn't have asked for better. All right, we had a more aggressive level, an inside level at 23,602 you could have used, or 23,619 was a less aggressive level, but today they both worked out fine. You'll see my trade there was at 612, basically in between the two levels, and exit at 642. So the strategy, I'm only required to go for 30 points, and I'm only risking 30 points in any one trade. It worked out fine. It's working out really nicely. Like I said, it was easy to implement, and it only took today, 1, 2, 3 or 4 minutes to play out. So as the name suggests, a 5-minute trading day, it was over and done with within 5 minutes. So now for the best part, it's the results. So as you see, they're all going well and truly in the right direction. They're going great. We've got the Hang Seng doing really, really well. The Dow's doing very well. And even though the DAX is lagging a little bit, it's still going really well. Okay, so like I said, it's a nice, easy, simple strategy to implement. It's great for new traders who are new to the market that want something consistent, and it's also just great for people with a little less time on their hands. Okay, so grab a look at the website. It's www.tradethestructure.com. Jump on, take a look around. Any questions you may have, feel free to email to tradethestructure@gmail.com and I'll get right back to you. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll speak to you again soon.